Good morning, tutor and classmates. My name is William Alberto Torres Vega. I am studying business administration in una university. I am developing English 4 and now I'm going to answer the question about the environment effects and solution. Answer to question. Question number 1. What is your opinion about positive and negative effects of the technology on the environment? My opinion about the technological effects in the environment are two. The first is that the technological advance from 1900 to 2010. The people were used the natural resources to produce energy in the machines, and with this they produce big pollution. The second is that the technological advances from 2010 to now, the people take the conscience and your machine do not use the natural resources to produce energy. For example, they do not use wood and water and coal. Question number 2. How do you see the future of our planet? I think there are two possibilities. One possibility is bad and another possibility is good. I wish that the people take conscience and we start be eco-friendly. Or the another possibility is that the people do not take conscience and increment the pollution. That is, I hope this do not pass. Question number 3. How do you mitigate the environmental damage? I consider that there are two possibilities. One possibility is that the governments give policies about the protect of the environment in different countries. And another possibility is the educate of the children in school and the home about this situation. Thanks for your attention.